We have good news and bad news. The good is the power is back up. What? The bad is it that are we losing a substantial amount of oxygen? Masks will drop from over your seats. Take one. Ah, I found it. Thank God. Whoa, Sam, we need to go. Hurry up, idiots. I'm trying to look something. Ow. Jacob. This mask will keep you safe until we stabilize oxygen levels. What was that? Who's this? Oh my God! What is this? It looks like... Oh no! What are we going to do? Well, we need your session. Okay, everyone. Calm down. If we find something sharp to cut of Gables, we might cut safe unicorn memory. Let's go. I found a pair of scissors. You do? Which cable should I cut? Blue, 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 blue. I will cut the red cable. No! Don't do it! Oh, shoot. We did it. We're currently safe. We did it. Silly. That's all we do. We are in a while. We should look for them and everything. Okay. I found them. Are they Unisys? We need to alert the captain. Quickly get to the captain. Okie dokie. This is a call for. It locked. Huh? What was that? Something is happening inside. Captain might be in trouble. This door needs a code. If we find it, we must be able to open it. Holy moly! It's the creature! You will pay for you. What have you done? You think you are here on accident, but you're not. What the hell were you looking so? Above you here, all of you. That's not possible. It is, and now it's time to die. Oh no! Quickly! See you in afterlife.
I love you.
What do we do? I don't want to get this. Captain? The captain is under suspicious. The plane is falling. What are we going to do? Dolly. Oh, I want to show you the seat. We need to find the autopilot button. Click everything. captain before we die.